Hi, in this video, I want to discuss the phantom employee. So according to Merriam-Webster dictionary, phantom means something apparent to sense but no substantial existence. So in HR Tech, when you say phantom, it is actually entered into employee master but does not exist in reality. Okay, so what is the use case for that kind of setup? Okay, so as you know, in a multi-company organization, it is very common that one employee is handling multiple companies. Just like if the employee is assigned in the head office and there are other companies, that are being handled. So for example, an accountant is doing financial statement for all companies. IT personnel providing technical support to multiple companies. And sometimes payroll master doing payroll for all companies. So these employees are actually employed by HR and they are receiving salary from the head office, but at the same time they are receiving allowances from other companies. Suppose that is the setup. Maybe this is the way of the organization to distribute the salary expense of these employees. So if you have this kind of scenario, how do we handle this scenario in HR Tech? Okay, so let me go back in HR Tech. So in HR Tech, you need to create a phantom employee. So how do we create a phantom employee? Okay, first, Abad Kim actually is a phantom of Abad Kim Yoon, which is actually on the other company. Okay, and then here the employee code should be the employee code of the original employee, and then you put here dash and then letter. So like letter A, B, C, doesn't matter as long as it is separated by dash and then the letter. Because actually if we go to other companies, the original company which is Bestfit, okay, if we go to the list here, this is actually Abad Kim Yoon and the employee code is 123456. Okay, so I created a phantom for Abad Kim Yoon, which is in the other company, and that is in the HR Tech. Okay, so if I go back to the list, so this is the phantom. Okay, so the phantom employee should have an employee code which is this format. Okay, so the original code does and then any letter. Okay, and the letter should only be one. You cannot use more than one letter. Okay, because that should be the format. Now another thing is you should declare that Abad Kim Yoon is a phantom. Okay, so you should turn on the phantom. So if this is turned on, it means Abad Kim Yoon is a phantom. So therefore, she will not be included in the reports like list of official employees and so on. Even on the government reports, she will never be included because you declared it as a phantom. No? It is just there in the employee master just to process the other allowances, nothing else. That's the only purpose. Okay, so for other reports like government and let's say employee master list and other dashboards, no? So this employee will never be included because it doesn't exist in reality. Okay, and then as you can see, if you go to the attendance log, okay, for Abad Kim Yoon, if I type here Abad Kim Yoon, that is from October 1 to October 15, we cannot see any attendance for her, because the basis of the attendance is from the original employee, not from the phantom, no? So if I go to the other company like Best Fit, so you'll see that there is a log for Abad Kim Yoon, which is actually the original employee. So the point here is that there is no attendance for the phantom employee, but the basis of paying her is coming from the attendance of the original employee from the main company, which is in this case is the BSF. Okay, so when we now process the payroll, although the phantom employee has no attendance, as you can see, if we go to the payroll, wait, it's in the other company. Okay, here. Okay, yeah, it's here. Okay, it's already posted. So as you can see, if you go to the allowance here, so we have actually a consultancy fee of 2,418 depending on the attendance of that employee. Because if we go to the configuration, if we go to the salary, Abad Kim Yoon actually has a salary of other compensation for this company HRT, which is actually 8,000 or 306.7093 per day. So this is actually the one that is calculated in the payroll, this other compensation here. Okay, so it is based on the attendance of the original employee. Okay, and that's it. So if you have any question regarding the phantom, if it is not that clear to you, just put it on the comments below, your question. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.